Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create a Google slide presentation. I've opened up a new tab. I'm going to come to the waffle and I am going to look for slides. So open up the slides. We're going to create a blank slide. Okay. Okay, my presentation is going to have 6 slides. So I am actually going to add those in right now. If you go to the plus sign, you just keep clicking and you can add all the slides. I prefer to do it this way just so that I can have all the slides that I need. Okay, so I am going to start creating. I'm going to call this, oh, you know what? Sorry, I am going to immediately name this Foreign Language Courses. The first thing I'm going to do, saves it directly into the drive, and any changes that I make or anything that I do, it goes immediately in there. Okay, so now I'm going to name this high school, and my subtitle is going to be foreign language. Okay, I'm going to play around with the font. I'm going to move this up. Actually, I'm going to move that up, and I'm going to move that up a little bit. So let's play around with this, make it a little more visual. I'm going to change the font, and let's see. Let's choose. I'm going to go with. You know what? Let's go with this Oswald and see. Okay, I'm also going to, it's already at 52. I'm going to make it a slight bit bigger. We'll do 60. Let's add some color. We'll do purple. Oh. That was just the border of the text. Let's just add some color. I'm sorry, the border. There you go. And I'm going to change the text color. Let's do yellow. Oh, okay, hold on, that didn't work. That's the border color. Let's do something lighter, maybe the blue. Okay, there it is, the border color. You can see the pink. You could, very light, but you can see it. Let's change the font size on this. Let's italicize it. Let's change the font size. Let's stay with the Oswald. We'll italicize it and bold it. We'll move it up a little bit and underline it. Okay. I'll move that up a little bit, and let's add an image. I'm going to go to Insert. I can upload an image from the computer, but I don't have one. I actually want to search the web, see if there's anything that'll catch the eye. We'll do Spanish. Countries. And see what we come up with. You know what? I actually like this image. I'm going to choose this. We're going to, you know what? I'm going to leave it there. I actually like this image because everything else is in gray and all the Spanish-speaking countries are colored. I'm going to center it. Okay. we are going to go to the second slide. I'm going to click on the second slide. And I'm going to change the layout. Oh, and as you can see, the layout on this slide is different than the layout on this slide. Okay, we're going to write courses, and these are the courses that are offered in foreign language: Spanish, Chinese, French, and sign language. I'm going to change the font on this as well. I'm going to change the font. I'm going to go with something a little, I'm going to, as soon as that clicks it, we'll click out of there. I'm going to go with a different font than what I originally chose. You know what? I'm going to go with this one. Let's check that. There you go. Let's change the font size to 36, and we are going to align that. Right here, we're going to center that. And you know what? I think I want it to be a little bigger, so let's do 48. Let's click out of that, move that up a little bit. Okay, now we are going to bullet point the courses, highlight it, go back here. We're going to click on bullet point. There's a bunch of different styles. I think I'm going to try that. I'm going to bold it so it could stand out. I'm going to increase the font size as well to 36. Oops, that's a little big. Let's do 30. And okay, we're going to keep that like that and move on to the third slide. On the third slide, we're going to work on Spanish. I'm going to delete this because I don't need a text. I am going to insert an image instead. We're going to go to image, search the web, and I want flags, Spanish country flags, if I can spell that right. Let's try flags and names. Let's see what it gives us. It gives us a bunch of flags, but I don't see any names. So we are not going to use that. Let's go back in here and try just Spanish country flags. Oh, we're getting the same stuff. Oh, I think I like this. So let's do this. Let's insert this image in here. Okay, I think that's kind of neat. We'll make it a little bigger. Okay. And I am going to change the color, the font size on this as well. Let's do 60. Let's move this down a little bit. I am actually going to leave this on the left side, but I am going to change the color to, oh no, I don't like that. Let's not do color. Okay, let's unclick that. Okay, that's not working for me right now. Okay. Don't know what happened there. All right, we're having some technical difficulties here. Okay, so that's not really working, not sure why. So you know what I'm gonna do? We're gonna do this again. We're gonna get rid of that. And instead, then I am going to insert a text box.